What's the meaning of bulimic? Bulimic. Bulimic.
Bulimic. Bulimic. The term bulimic refers to a person who suffers from bulimia nervosa, an eating disorder characterized by binge eating followed by purging through self-induced vomiting, the use of laxatives, or excessive exercise. The physical consequences of bulimia can be severe and include tooth decay, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, gastrointestinal problems, and potentially life-threatening complications. In addition to physical health problems, bulimia also takes an emotional toll on individuals, leading to feelings of shame, guilt, and anxiety. It is important for individuals struggling with bulimia to seek professional help in order to address both the physical and emotional aspects of their disorder.